We'll guide you through how to check your Gmail account password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've gone and forgotten it. It's quite easy to, because once you're signed in, you don't really use it again. And so perhaps you want to try and be reminded of it and go and see it before you go and do the reset process. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important step. So to get started, come into Gmail. You can see I already am here. Now, what you want to do is go to the top right and go and press on your profile icon like so. Now, potentially you may have multiple accounts in here. If you do, we can always go and switch to them and go and check for the password there as well. So we can go and do that. You can go and press manage your Google account, wait for it to go and load. Then what you want to do is you want to go down the list and find security and sign in, and you can go and tap there. Then what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down all the way down until you go and find password manager. You can always go and search for this by pressing the magnifying glass in the top right if you need to. Tap there. Then what you can do is go and search for Google or scroll down. It will usually be saved in the Google. It could be Gmail, so it's worth searching that as well. But we'll go and type in Google first. You can see it appears there. If it didn't, you could go and try typing in Gmail and tap there. Enter in the screen lock PIN, or depending upon the method you have set up, you'll need to enter it. I can scroll down and then see the account I'm looking for here, and I could press the I to the right to reveal it, or press the copy button to the right there. Now, let's say it wasn't there and you've got multiple Google accounts, it's worth checking them. So you could go and press your profile icon in the top right and press the arrow, and you could then go and switch accounts and try checking the other account to go and see if it's been saved there, as it can be. And that's it. Hopefully you've now been able to go and see it and you now go and know it again. As I said, it's easy to go and forget if you don't go and look at it much, but that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.